Scratch Cat era, the longest and scariest Scratch Cat era in the dimension. Part 13. Good job. Now you have chances in the background change to quarter green to half green. And the last time will previously is now. Previously it was aquamarine. So don't turn off your computer or else. Okay, you know what? Okay, now you have 829 chances left. And you could don't you start turning it off right now? Great. Just great. You just made it on 120 left. And this is what happens if you turn off computer 123 times. Now, stop it. Okay, now you have 827 chances left. Plus, you could start it off, don't you? Okay, you have 826 chances left. So, if you don't, what happens next? You know what? I will change the title to Dumbass. Really, Marana? Now you changing your title to Dumbass error? That also counts as another turn off. So, if you turn off continuously, like what happens next? Shh. Okay, now I have 824 chances. Plus, if you don't start turning it off, then you won't like what happens next. Okay, you know what? That's it. Take that, the knuckle sandwich. Oh, okay. I just finally punched him. Now, I could finally get the computer. Dude, why the heck did you just punch me? You know, this is an action, worst action you have done to me. Now, you have 823 chances left. Plus, you have to start turning it off right now. Okay, you have now 222, 800, Just now, start turning it off right now. Okay, if you turn off your computer one more time, then then the background will change again. And if you turn off, then you will reveal. Okay, if I turn off, let's reveal the color. What we'll see. Okay, you asked for